Hey folks, Kwame here. You may have to forgive a bit of background noise, but this will just be the first draft of this video. So, showing you how to create this effect where we use the cover image, have a nice short video, and then a different end screen, as well as a custom button and link for our end screen. Bear with me for one moment. I'm just going to pull. I'm afraid I have a lot of works going on nearby. Regardless, it's really simple to use. Once you've pasted the custom code in, you find your video, you add your video, you set your featured image, that goes at the beginning, and then in the background, sorry, for the end screen, we just use our description here. Bold text as a kind of mini heading, there's your text. For links, just put them as a normal link. And if you would like, it's going to click out. If you would like it to display as a button, all you do is you add question mark button equals true at the end of your link. And so let's edit this, for example, and let's change it to say call to action. Let's just call this inline text link. Click out, save it. Replay that video just so that we can see the changes in effect. So the video plays for a few seconds. I'm glad I picked a short one. And, oh, sorry, I've accidentally clicked it onto loop. My mistake. Right, let's try that again. So obviously that shows that, it works fine with loop turned on, but here you go. Boom. And this will inherit styles from whatever your primary button is. There are options, obviously, within it to tweak the stylings. Additionally, this is just the default styles. If you did want, you would be more than welcome to play with things like, for example, if you wanted to add a border radius, let's say 2 rem, nice and obvious like that. If you wanted to do anything else, it's nice, simple classes. Pretty much using the Squarespace native ones. I don't think there's anything really custom in there. So yeah. And this background image, obviously being different from the featured image, is something you can set for every single video block using like a couple of lines of code. Very, very easy to use once you've done it once. Yeah, I hope this is useful for you.